Dave on the rock pile. How you guys doing? Using the little selfie stick. So much fun. We got this project here. We're giving it a 15-year facelift. Built this thing in 2 phases. Literally over a decade and a half ago. And we start off with this bottom section that was a little small grotto and a waterfall. And then we added this whole other section above and on top. So all this stuff we added just for fun. There you go, baby. So lots of fun. So anyway, hope you like. Hope you're having a good day wherever you're at. Remember to be thankful and forgiving. Get those 2 things dialed in. You're going to be an awesome addition to the human race. And we like that. To learn how we do this stuff, you can go to www.davehenderson.podia.com. davehenderson.podia.com and daverhenderson.com for my blogs and links to our other platforms. All right. Anyways, hope you're having a great day. And God bless you guys. Be kind to one another and make someone smile and laugh today. All right. All right. We'll see you next time. Bye.